Now, those heat controls, these guys right here, I'm taking them out. How hard is it? Ha ha ha. See that button right there? Come on, man. Make sure you donate. This is not free stuff. But this is 7mm and a 7mm. Behind what looks to be a weird looking dash piece. And you see it because you're looking right at it. See this piece right here? It just snaps into place. And since it's American, it never wants to line back up. So, let's do this. Let's put this guy back and pretend that we weren't here. Because you have to take this guy out. This pops out. This pops out towards you. See that? This puppy right here comes out first from here. So this out first, and then out towards you, out towards you, out towards you, towards you, towards you, all right? 7mm and 7mm. Now, with the shifter up, loosened up out of your way. So, there are 2 screws right there, hidden underneath this guy. See that? Let me give you a little tab. See that? 2 screws. They're actually Torx. I'm going to show you what they are. They are T15s. 2 of them. Now, why do I say this? Because that pops this guy out. You ready for this? This whole pocket pops out. Can I do it with one hand? Come on. There you go. See? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Revealing overlaps that I bent without knowing. I'm going to put it back. But after that, you go grab something like this. So before you pull with this thing, I have to cut this edit up. Before you pull this, I'm going to continue the video. What Buick decided to do, these wonderful Americans, they decided to hide a screw up under here. You see that thing? That screws in right there. Thank you, Buick. Thank you. Again, see that thanks button? Hit it. Donate $1 for every dollar. What T20 is it? I don't know. It's a T25. I know that. It's somewhere hidden in the car. This is a T20, and it is a T25 because I took it out before and I have nowhere. Oh, here it is. This is what I needed. Up under is a 90 right here. Drill 90. Make sure it's a T25. It was a T25. So thank you, Buick. Continue on with the rest of the video. You have to pull this guy out of your way. Why? Because this overlaps. Thank you, Buick. Thank you. This is as bad as a Nissan Rogue. The suckometer is pretty high. So after you take out the 7mm, check this puppy out. Pull. Make sure you don't break anything. You see? This guy. This is going to be one of your best friends. You might as well buy it. It's in my links. There you go. Not the snap-on version, though. But you're definitely going to need something like this, a fork tool. So you can pop this guy out. Pop this guy out because his American clips are the best. See how it moves? I'm doing it with one hand. So you got to get this stupid overlap thing out of your way so you can get to the heat controls. Now, once they're out of the way, see? There's another clip. It's sort of hidden and you can't see it until you pull really hard with these wonderful American clips. So, can you do it with this thing in the way? Probably not. Why would you want to? It's just another 5 minutes you got to do. You see how they align? I mean, you gotta give it to the Americans. You gotta You gotta make it seem like, you know what, they know what they're doing. Let's bring all the jobs back in America, because that's the easy route. Because this makes it so much easier for us to take things apart. So with the 2 7mm out, you sort of pull, ow, that scraped me. You sort of pull towards you, there you go. Now, more safety clips. Am I gonna do that? No. But you gotta pull the red part out and then squeeze and pull out. Now, what the part number is, let's see if we can get it. That's your part number. Whatever that means, there it is. So there's your heat controls. We put it back. Oh, it's gonna be fun, because none of the wonderful clips that they have, that's next by the way, none of the wonderful clips that they have line up. So you have to fight and kick and scream. Now, you see, look at this. I'm only guessing this overlaps this because I don't remember. You can see the imprint of it though. So there you go. So I'm going to put it back because it's such a flimsy piece of metal. Because, thank you, Buick. See that? Look how flimsy this is. Just bend it with your finger. Put your 2 7mm back, and I'm going to show you how to put this wonderful panel back together, because there's too many clips that just don't really want to align. This puppy right here, see that? There's another clip right over there. If you had to take this off, which you probably could, you probably should, but that means the whole glove box probably gotta come out, and you don't have to do that. It does go back. Let me show you. You definitely need 3 hands for this. So this does have a give to it. This sort of has a give to it. And you have to align this one up, because this is the major pain in the butt. Again, you can do it because I already did it. You can see how I already took it apart. So let me put it back and show you that you don't have to take this off. See, you just have to fight a bit. You can get it, because it's a waste of time to take this whole panel off. If you had to, I don't even know. But I do know that it will go back. You see, you just have to straighten everything out as it plays itself back in. You have to align them all back up. You see, and you sort of have to definitely use both hands. See, gotta love the pause button. Screw back, screw back. You gotta put this guy. Now again, these wonderful clips that they use are just complete el basura. You have to line them up, because you know it's not Korean or Japanese or Chinese, whatever it is. Definitely gotta fight. You see, and it will snap back into place. You just have to align them all back up. Make sure you have it in the proper position before you push. You got the idea. You can fight it on your own. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.